Hi everyone and Assalamualaikum. Awash here with the second episode of my series. The previous week I started Plan School Lunches with Me series where I invited you to plan a month's worth of school lunches with me. I shared some important tips and tricks to consider before making a plan, and then I showed you how to make a weekly planner for the whole month. This week I'm sharing all the fresh and feasible lunches that my kids love to take regularly. Today I'm sharing two easy breezy recipes instead of one. Both of them are super quick and I think it only takes 10 minutes or less to make them. The first fresh lunch is a cucumber sandwich. These are best for lunches, for afternoon tea, and even for teddy bear picnics. Here are all the ingredients you'll need. You'll need bread and cucumber, half a cup of cream cheese, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard and 1 tablespoon heaped mayonnaise, and some salt and pepper to taste. Place cream cheese in a bowl and microwave it for 30 to 50 seconds or until it softens. Add all the other ingredients, mayo, Dijon mustard, salt and pepper, and mix it thoroughly. Now take your bread, you can leave them like this if you want, or just to be a little fancy you can cut them in any shape like I did over here. I cut them into circles. Open the bread up and spread the mayo mixture on both the sides. Peel the cucumber and thinly slice it. Place it on the paper towel so that there is no excess water. Pat them dry from the top. Now place cucumber on top of the bread slices and place another bread slice on top. Now they are ready to serve. What I do to make things more easier for me is that I make the mayo mixture in advance and keep it in the fridge. It doesn't go bad and is there for you when you need it. Our second fresh lunch is tuna rolls. These are also really easy to make and you need only 3 ingredients to make them: bread, mayo, and tuna. I use John West's special edition fiery tuna cans and they are already spiced. I don't need to add any spice in there. Remove the excess water or oil and take the tuna out in a bowl. Add 1 tablespoon of mayo and mix. Once your mixture is ready, cut 2 sides of the bread like this and place the mixture on one side. Press down the other side with your fingers and roll the bread up. Cans of tuna and 1 tablespoon mayo makes 6 to 8 rolls depending on how generously you fill them up. Once you have rolled all of them, serve and enjoy, or place them in the lunchbox with some baby spinach. As discussed earlier in part 2 of episode 1 that on Fridays I make fresh lunch for them depending on what's in my pantry or fridge. If I have some tuna, I'll make these rolls. If I have some cucumber, I'll make the sandwich. But if I have both, I'll still make cucumber sandwiches because cucumbers don't last long in the fridge as compared to the tuna in the pantry. So think wisely and decide what works better for you and your pocket. More healthy, yummy, and freezable lunchbox recipes are coming this week, so subscribe and press the bell icon to get all the updates. If you want to learn how to freeze these lunches for school, then click the link below in description. Hit that like button if you like my under 10 minutes school lunches, and comment down below what will you prefer to make if you have all the ingredients to both of these lunches. Thanks for watching and bye for now.